Welcome back out to the shop. My name is Mark. This is the Malarkey Taylor channel, and we are back. We had a little bit of a break there where we had Thanksgiving. I had to travel for work, and we didn't have any shop logs, but we're back at it. We had some snow. I brought the snow plow in. It worked great. You know, as good as it could be. I still need to do something with the weights in the back, but this is my John Deere that I converted to run a ATV plow. It does okay. But what we're doing right now is we need to get, I'm still working on trying to get my Jeep to be street legal. And it is throwing an engine like a catalytic engine code for catalyst. But I think part of it is I'm running so much of that old fuel in it. And the only time that I'm running it is when I am going to and from the gym in the morning when it's dark out and the inspection stickers are not obvious. So it's light now, and I think what I need to do is I need to take it and put some good fuel in it and run some injector cleaner through it and then run it out a little bit so that I can clean out all the old gas that's in it. So I am gonna air up the tires because they are not aired up quite right. I think maybe they need some air in them. And then I'm going to run across town and get some ethanol free fuel and some injector cleaner, and that'll put, you know, good 10, 15, 20 miles on this thing, and that hopefully should be enough to get that engine light to go out so that then we can take it over and get some new stickers on it. But that's what we're doing next, so here we go.
Eventually.
Well, that's a good start. We got the big ones cut up and split. Got the rest of that pile. It's mostly junk wood. It's been sitting there a while. I don't think I'm going to use it, but I got to get it out of my way because stuff's coming up. So I did recently post a video about my camper problem, and I'll put a link up in the corner and you can go look at that. I'm not going to complain about it here, but basically had an issue with camper repairs and whatnot, and working, and so we decided that the correct solution to that is to put a canopy up so that we can cover our camper. And that's what we've started here. So got some stone laid out. I got some paint marks on the ground. We're gonna put a board through there and level that up. And then this is a metal building. It's just a carport with a roof on it that the camper can back under. And so that's the goal here. Is I need to get that cleaned up so that I can bring the camper through and not have to drive over that stuff, and then drive it all the way in here and park it in this soon to be building. So getting that wood cleaned up, getting the stone spread out here, getting it leveled, and then getting that up. So, well, always some projects, never the same thing twice. Well, sometimes the same things twice, but never a dull moment in the Malarkey Tailor shop. All right, I think that's it for now. I'll put the chainsaw away and go inside and see what we need to do for shop for Christmas stuff. So I think my next video is probably going to be a shop tour. Every year around Christmas I do a shop tour, so stay tuned. We'll talk to you next week, and if I don't see you before Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah. See you on the next one.